guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Crystal. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video and joining me today to get some cleaning done. And if you guys are returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. I truly appreciate it. So as you can see from the title of this video and from what I just said, this is going to be another clean with me video. And I feel like I haven't filmed one of these clean with me videos in several weeks. I feel like in the last few weeks I've done a little bit of cleaning in all of my videos, but it hasn't been the main focus. So this is my first video in several weeks where it is solely all about cleaning. I made my bed this morning, so we will not be going into my bedroom today, but I do have some laundry that needs to get folded. I do want to clean my living room, the kitchen area, as well as Jacob's little changing area. I don't have too much to do because obviously everybody cleans throughout the week, so I don't have too much to do, but I definitely have enough to give you guys some good cleaning motivation. So please grab all of your things and clean along with me. So I'm going to go ahead and start off in the living room, and I apologize if it is a little bit dark in here. I only have one window open. The other window I kept closed because it is summer and it is Texas weather, so it is going to be super hot just having one window open for the light. So I apologize again if it is dark, but I'm going to go ahead and just tidy up a little bit. Like I said earlier, I don't have too much to do. I'm just going to go ahead and fold up some blankets, put Jacob's things away, and vacuum later on. So a new thing that we bought for Jacob recently is his new Graco pack and play. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you have seen pictures of him in this thing. I absolutely love it. I'm so glad that we bought one. I don't know why it took us so long to get one. I do still use his playmat as you saw it earlier in the video, but when he's on his playmat, I have to watch him like a hawk because he does roll so quickly. But with the pack and play, of course, I'm still watching him, but I know that he is contained. I don't have to worry about him bumping his head while he's moving around. But anywho, I will link this down below if you guys are interested in a new pack and play, or if you need one, go ahead and take a look at this one. So as you can see right now, I am dusting my dresser, and normally I try and dust this once a week, but I'm not gonna lie, it has been a few weeks since I have dusted this this dresser, and oh my goodness, the dust on this thing was really thick. It's kind of embarrassing, and I'm glad you guys cannot see an up-close shot of it. Another area that I neglect to dust is underneath the coffee table. This area, I've noticed it getting thick with dust, but I've just been putting it off. I honestly hate kneeling on the floor because we have the dog hair and the dust, and I'm in leggings most of the time, and so I hate having the dog hair stick to my knees. But yes, that is another area that I need to focus on dusting a lot more. So now we've moved on into the dining room, and there's not a lot that I need to do in here. I just need to go ahead and dust the table. I'm going to go ahead and put away his car seat as well as his diaper bag, and then I need to clean his portable high chair. So I was wondering, what do y'all think about my new yellow roses in my flower vase? If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you guys know that I posted a question on my page asking what kind of flowers do you guys think I should put into my vase, and I decided to go with yellow roses. I personally think that the yellow bounces off really well from the blue curtains and the dark wood. I'm going to go ahead and use my favorite method all-purpose cleaner to go ahead and clean Jacob's portable high chair. And I don't know about y'all with little babies, but this little guy turns into a freaking contortionist when it is time to eat. He is distracted so easily by sounds, especially when the dogs are moving. So whenever I feed him in this high chair, food gets everywhere. And now we are going to move on into the kitchen. Again, I don't have too much to do in here. I'm just going to go ahead and clean the countertops as well as the stove and microwave. And I am going to clean the side of the refrigerator. I noticed while I was cleaning the stove that a lot has gotten splashed onto the side of the refrigerator. And it's just not something that I clean on a regular basis. I'm now going to go ahead and put on one of my favorite YouTube moms, Tiffany Beeston. I got to go ahead and put away some of Jacob's things, and then I need to unload the dishwasher as well as clean the countertops. Another thing that I'm going to start trying to use every few weeks for my dishwasher is a disinfectant and dishwasher cleaner by Glisten. I'm sure that you guys can buy this from H-E-B or Walmart or whichever grocery store is most convenient to you, but I found this under my sink. If you watched a few videos back, I did a kitchen organization video where I organized underneath my kitchen sink, and I did find this in there, and I went ahead and I tried it last night, and I think it did a really good job. It did not have any noticeable like clean scent like a lemon scent or anything. I think the picture did show that it had a lemon scent, but I did not notice that. All I noticed was that my dishwasher was very clean. If you guys have not heard of these straw cleaners, I highly recommend that you guys buy these. You can find them on Amazon. I'm sure you can get them at Walmart or H-E-B, again, whichever grocery store is most convenient to you. But I highly recommend getting a straw cleaner that you can use obviously to clean your straws, but then also to clean the lids of bottles that have like the flip top that the straw is inserted into. I know that those can harbor a lot of mold, and these straw cleaners get those cleaned really well. And then I also need to start using this straw cleaner to clean Jacob's nose Frida. If you guys are familiar with the nose Frida, you know that they get the boogies out of the baby's nose really well, but then they get stuck in that little blue tube, and this straw cleaner does a great job in cleaning those things out. And last but not least, I'm going to go ahead and vacuum. So I wanted to go ahead and say thank you to all of you guys that have chosen to subscribe and follow me on YouTube as well as on Instagram. It truly means the world to me that you guys want to watch my videos and connect with me. If you guys are not already following me, please do consider subscribing to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. And if you guys are not following me on Instagram, please go ahead and look for me there. I'm going to go ahead and put my name on the screen so you guys can look me up. On Instagram, I post tons of videos and pictures of my little guy. So if you guys are interested in seeing more of my little man Jacob, definitely check me out on Instagram. So I don't know if you guys are noticing, especially in past videos where I vacuum, but Oreo always brings a toy for me to kick or throw when I vacuum. I don't know why she does this, but this is something that she's been doing ever since she was a little puppy, and I think it's a really cute thing. I don't know why she thinks that it's playtime when I vacuum, but anywho, that is what she's doing right now, and that is why she always has that little fox, and I have to kick it out of the way whenever I vacuum. And I just realized that I almost smacked the camera when I kicked Oreo's toy fox, so sorry about that. And the last thing that I need to do is go ahead and move my laundry from the washer into the dryer. I know I said earlier that I was gonna fold, but I completely forgot that I had these clothes in the dryer yesterday, and so I had to re-wash them again so they wouldn't get all stinky and moldy smelling. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the dryer on now, as well as fold this shower curtain. I bought a new shower curtain a couple weeks ago, and so this one, I'm guessing we're gonna probably end up just throwing this away, but for right now I'm gonna go ahead and store it away just in case we need it in the future. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just organize a tiny bit in here, and then that'll be it for the video. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys made it all the way to the end, and I hope this video gave you guys a lot of good cleaning motivation and you were able to clean along with me. If you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. I upload a video at least 3 times a week, and I'd love for you to join me each time. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and watching my videos every week. I truly appreciate it. And don't forget to leave a comment. I love responding to comments and getting to know all of my viewers. I will see you guys all back in a couple of days in a new video, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye!